how much should you actually spend on a 360 camera for your car? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam caught my eye right away, especially with its dual-channel recording feature. At just $109.98, it's positioned as a bestseller. If you want peace of mind while driving, this is worth a serious look. This dash cam records at 4K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear, meaning you can clearly capture details like license plates or faces at a distance. The ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi lets you download your footage at speeds up to 20 Mbps, which is perfect for quickly sharing incidents on social media. Plus, the built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, which can be crucial for insurance claims. With over 11,900 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a trusted choice. Now, some users mention that the installation process can be a bit confusing, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the features really stand out. It's not a deal-breaker for most, especially if you need reliable recording on the road. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality recording with GPS features. Skip this one if you're looking for something super simple without the bells and whistles. For the price, it definitely delivers value. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Neewer Triple Suction Cup Mount. The Neewer Triple Suction Cup Mount is a unique offering for those who want flexibility in capturing angles. Priced at $79.99, it really stands out with its ability to securely attach to various surfaces. If you're striving for unique POV shots, this is worth a serious look. This means you can capture dynamic shots, which is great for action scenes or scenic drives. It also comes with an extendable pole, making it versatile for both camera angles and selfies. With 4.5 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, people are raving about its stability and ease of use. However, a few users reported that it might not hold up perfectly at higher speeds. Here's the thing, as long as you stay under 80 km/h, you're golden. So if you're planning on some high-speed filming, it might be a concern. This is perfect for you if you love creative filming angles while driving. Skip this one if you need a more traditional dash cam setup. At this price, it's a solid investment for capturing unique footage. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want comprehensive coverage. Product number 3, Pelking Suction Car Mount. Next up is the Pelking Suction Car Mount, priced at $99.99. This one's particularly interesting because it comes with an adjustable selfie stick, making it versatile. If you want to achieve low-altitude shots without needing a drone, this is worth a serious look. This mount boasts 5 powerful suction cups that enhance stability, and the ability to tilt for different shooting angles is a game changer. It allows for shooting inside or outside the car, which is perfect for capturing all angles of your adventures. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 699 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its durability and flexibility. Now, some users mention the setup can be a bit tricky with the multiple suction cups. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, the stability is impressive. If you're someone who's not super handy, it might take a few tries. This is perfect for you if you enjoy capturing every moment in a variety of settings. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward dash cam solution. For the features, it's a great value. Now, if you need even more coverage, the next product on our list has got you covered on all sides. Product number 4, ZMOPO 4-Channel Dash Cam. The ZMOPO 4-Channel Dash Cam is another fantastic option at $99.99. What caught my attention is its ability to record from 4 cameras simultaneously, covering front, rear, and both sides. If you want comprehensive vehicle coverage, this is worth a serious look. With 4 full HD 1080p cameras, you get a complete view of your surroundings, which is crucial for safety. The enhanced night vision ensures that even in low-light conditions, you'll have clear footage. Plus, the loop recording feature means you never have to worry about running out of space. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's proving to be popular among drivers. However, a downside is that the GPS is sold separately. Some people find that annoying, especially if they're used to built-in features. This is perfect for you if safety is your top priority. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, single-camera setup. For the price, it provides a lot of value. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with similar features, the next product could be your best bet. Product number 5, IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. Finally, we have the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam priced at $84.97. What stood out to me was its 360 degrees coverage and impressive night vision. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. This model records in 1080p across all channels, ensuring you won't miss any action. Plus, it comes with a free 128GB SD card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The supercapacitor used instead of a battery means it can withstand extreme temperatures, which is great for those hotter months. With a 4.4-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's definitely earning its keep. However, a few reviews pointed out that the lack of GPS and reliance on a cigarette lighter charger are downsides. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for budget-friendly functionality, these might be easy to overlook. This is perfect for you if you want solid performance at a lower price point. Skip this one if GPS tracking is a must-have for you. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, there you have it, 5 solid choices for 360 cameras for your car. So to wrap it up, the Rove R2-4K is a top-notch dual dash cam. The Neewer mount offers flexibility for unique angles. The Pelking mount is excellent for low-altitude shots. The ZMOPO provides comprehensive coverage, and the IIWEY N5 is a budget-friendly option. Each has its strengths and might be exactly what you need depending on your driving and filming style.